China, the world-famous manufacturing power in the world, you can find a complete set of industrial belt for every product in China, where you can feel the charm of professional manufacturing. Zhangzhou, a bright pearl of the developed economic circle in southern China, is the capital of furniture manufacturing. Tens of thousands of furniture containers are sent from here to all over the world every year. Zhangzhou Haiyang Furniture Company Limited has been engaged in furniture manufacturing for more than 15 years and has accumulated more than 1 million pieces of furniture, factory area of more than 50,000 square meters, with 3 modern furniture manufacturing lines, including tube cutting, punching, bending, welding, acid washing, powder coating, packaging and sewing, etc. Its annual furniture output is more than 100,000 pieces. Our main products are metal bed, computer desk, dining set, leer table and chair, folding table and chair, stool, children table set, bar counter, shelf, rack, stand, etc., which are widely used in many fields such as home furnishing, schools, shopping malls, hotels, and so on. With a complete quality management system, the supporting quality control personnel has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS quality system certification, and passed Walmart, FGS, BSCI, CE, EN 747, EN 12521, and other international testings. Haiyang Furniture has become a leader in Chinese furniture industry, as we always adhere to the spirit of focus on products, serve customers. We strive for perfection in every production link. Bringing the best products to customers is our constant philosophy. Meanwhile, we also attach great importance to product R&D and innovation. Every year, we bring our R&D team to do market research around the world and carry out multi-level communication activities with our clients, adhering to the design concept of people-oriented, making product design simple but not monotonous, unique but not provocative, in line with the modern people's lifestyle of pursued nature is what we pursue. In order to make customers continue to enjoy our high-quality products and services, our company has invested a lot of time and energy in personnel training and growth. Every year, there are many talented young people joining our team, and we provide them with the thematic knowledge training and hold a variety of post-skill competition activities. At the same time, we also launch some training activities with universities and scientific research institutions in China on product development and learning. Good corporate culture is also Haiyang's pursuit. We often organize staff to participate in various collective activities. We hold Christmas party, we travel, and we enjoy delicious food together. We make every effort to make employees enjoy a happy working atmosphere in Haiyang. With the joint efforts of all staff, our current business customers have covered 3 major regions in the world, with more than 50 countries, and we established a long-term cooperation relationship with ALDI, LIDL, Kmart, Metro, Costco, Walmart, and Target. We are willing to cooperate with our clients and friends around the world and develop together. Welcome to visit our factory.